Hey there, pioneers! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make germanium ingots in Subnautica 2. Now, germanium ingots in the game can't be made simply in the fabricator. You would need a special building in the game for you to be able to make them. This also concerns all the other refined ingots in the game, along with germanium. Now, the first step to this really is to have unlocked the processor building. I personally found this building all the way to the north of the life pod, somewhere around the 350 to 370 meter range in this footage, right? The life pod is all the way south at 370 meters, and the location you're going to go into is this old settlement. Just make your way inside under this building right here, go through the hole from the bottom, make your way forward, and go up these ladders here to the right. And here's the processor right here. And thankfully you only need this one processor to get the full blueprint. Once you scan the processor, you will automatically unlock all the recipes here that you can see on the processor's crafting menu, and the more materials you unlock in the world, the more the processor can make. With that all said and done, let's get back into making the germanium. If you take a look here, you can actually make germanium through different recipes. I can make it with either silver or lead, and because I have more of this than silver, then I'm going to make it with this instead. This process will take about 2 minutes to complete, and after the 2 minutes, go over to the output, and here is your germanium ingot, and that's about it on how to make germanium ingots in Subnautica 2. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more quick dive guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.